Yo team, quick field note on wiring up without being in a suit into a t-shirt. I use the in-ear 360 gear. I don't think, these are the best, they just are. You forget you even have them on. You don't get your ear blocked. Use my code Byron to get a discount. I don't make anything off of it. I just want you to have the best gear. So ultra low pro. They make a 1 ear. I like to run the 2 ear. If you're in a loud venue, you can use a little earplug, but then that's awesome. Take my receiver and I connect it to my wife beater underneath my shirt, which is ultra low profile, so that everything is underneath the shirt. When I speak, I'm here. I don't wear suits very often because my client packages want us to blend in more, so we're in plain clothes 90% of the time. But that's the setup. Whatever side you want, drop your receiver, short sleeves, no suit, no problem, wired up, ready to go. Ear 360, use my code Byron for a discount. Remember, I make nothing off of it. I just want you guys to have the best gear. Anyways, Byron Rodgers, Executive Protection Training Day Field Note. Go to epspecialist.com, train with us, become part of the league. Let's do our careers together. Let's make this year the best year of your executive protection career.